Right, I used to do this activity a while back where I would multiply a group of 5 dice and multiply the 5 dice to get the result. So I just did one to test it out, and I'll show you how I would do it. I go 3 times 5 is 15, times 2 is 30, times 2 is 60, times 240. Alright, so what I want to know now is, now that the group's pretty large, getting up towards 1,000 members, how many people think they'd be able to multiply numbers faster than me? So I'll roll it again and I'll show you how I can do it. Alright, 3, 9, 18, 72. Alright, it's a very easy one. 9 times 8, basically, if you were to break it down. Alright, let's go again. 5, 15, 90, 540, 1,080. Right, so is there any way to break that down? Yeah, you can go 5 times 2 to give you 10. 36 times 3 is 108. 108 times 10 is 1,080. So when I teach multiplication to students, I try and break it down for them so they can use strategies, but I actually don't need them. I've always been able to just multiply numbers, at least double-digit numbers. These are fairly small numbers. All right? I find I start to struggle when the numbers get over into the 3 digits, into the hundreds. So it's got something to do with memory, I think, that because I've seen some people who can just multiply massive numbers and do it quickly. All right, I'll have another go. 2, 12, 72, 288, 864. Right, so 864, I'll go a bit slower. 2 times 6 is 12, 12 times 6 is 72, 72 times 4, you're doubling it twice, so you're going 144, 288, and then you're tripling it, 864. So what I would probably do in my head is I'd do 300 times 3, take away 12 times 3, which is 900, take away 36 to work that out. Alright, go again. 3, 9, 45, 225. Alright, so we got 25 times 9, basically. 5, 15, 75, 375, 750. Alright, so we could break that down to 10 here, and then we've got 25 times 3, 75, 750. 2, 4, 24, 120. That's a pretty easy one. Again, you've got the 10, so you're just going 6 times 2, 12 times 10. 5, 20, 60, 360. Alright, so how can we simplify that? It's 15 times 24, which would be 10 times 24 plus 5 times 24, 240 plus 120, 360. Alright, I'll do one more. 2, 8, 48, 144, 720. Alright, again, can we simplify it? 5 times 2 is 10. That's 72. 72 times 10, 720. Alright, so let me know if you think you can do that quicker, because actually in all of the years that I've been teaching, and I've tutored many, very talented children who've gone on to James Roos and, all of the top primary schools, and all the top high schools and all the top private schools on scholarships, and I've actually never met anyone who could beat me at this. So I'm curious to see what your response is.